guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll review the video with Kartel being rushed out of the club looking unwell. Also, it looks like he's about to drop a new song, but if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Check this out. Yeah, people, the article, I missed this over Observer where it said Vybz Kartel falls ill while he was partying at a nightclub. The night, I think it was last night, him did I go on good enough? Perform, like him give you a little pre-performance and I sing when I sang them and the crowd real up and thing. But me think I just junk because the next morning, which is today, you see my drop a preview. But guess what? We go show you a clip from last night and then we go show you, give you a preview of the song. So it mean alright. I just feel like they might exaggerate. But check this out. As you can see this from last night and it look healthy, alright. Although anything can do in a split second still. But then after such a pre-performance, then this morning he drop he drop on like a preview of this single. Listen to this.
Did they give a fuck about the nigga? Fuck your girl and send her to you. Pussy, how really do you? Makes the red bull make the white brown.
Look like Kartel can't manage the liquor. Well, me don't know. Him look like he did just frat and he just want somebody help him out, you know? Glad he alright still, but tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Now, the other day, Pinky Pinks and Vybz Kartel showed up at Sherry's party, Candyland, and there was a video of a dark-skinned girl, you know, doing some very exotic things in front of Kartel with a banana and some whipped cream, and you know, people in the comment section and bash Pinky and I say everywhere Kartel they in there and this and that, and then even some of them when I say, you know, they call her background girl and you know, look down on her. So I said, but I don't know if you mix up Pinky Pinks with the girl. Pinky Pink is obviously brown, the other girl is dark. Pinky Pinks no one pink here, the other girl are ear catching up on in a one. But anyway, Pinky Pinks went to live and she addressed the whole situation. So check this out.
People, hey Jabas, one thing I want to ask people, how you so bad mind? It appear you for wake up and just hate on somebody, well literally just a live them life and just a try in a life. More no. Tell me, it appear you for bad mind on next person? Like we just get up and just eat on the next person. It's up in my face too much. Like, I wanna do it. I wanna do fucking bad mind, man. Like, come on. If you don't really know me, you don't know me. It's not a people person, you know, I don't really like people, I don't really dig people. But my energy, I'm an energy person. So when I go away, I'm not gonna lock off to myself. I spread my energy. I give energy. That's me. So I don't understand, oh, one quick cook. Oh, people bad mind, so I don't understand when me go out and me do and me there on me there on. I don't feel like say when I see me around Kartel and me want enough for myself. You can't go around them man unless them man they call you. Some of us want to get that on a fucking thick skull and know that. And know this too. Know say Anna just yesterday, me and the boss a link. Know that. What some of una did there when him in a prison and want strength? No, una never did no way. But una feel like say una see some people they run now, una want to tell them say oh them too enough or oh them not deserve to get a highlight or oh them not deserve for in the position with them in. Remember, I never come and hype on nobody, I never tell nobody say oh this and that and that and that. No, I hold my own. Always hold my own. So I want to somehow little drunk crow. I know.
You can leave any thoughts on that in the comment section, isn't it? On to the next topic. There's this female artist that claims that Vybz Kartel owe her or all artists them loyalties, and that's why Kartel can buy mansions, and she claims that Kartel tell her to unfollow Alkaline and she a bunny mouth and I call him the BITCH word. Yeah, check this out. Shut this up about so wicked.
Yes, this message is for Kartel. Alkaline better than you nigga. Alkaline been better than you nigga. That's why years ago when I used to follow Alkaline, he messaged me and told me not to follow him, and do I ever lie? No, I don't. You told me to unfollow Alkaline because you were jealous of him. You're nothing but a bitch, Kartel. You owe all your fucking artist royalties. That's why you can fucking buy all these mansions and shit like that, because the baddest female song you've ever made was Gates of Heaven. Well, not maybe the baddest, but one of the best, besides Vanessa Bling. Have you ever paid her royalties? She has to work for everything she has. A good thing I'm rich and my parents are rich. I don't have to beg anybody for anything, especially you. Fucking Vybz Kartel, you a fucking bitch, nigga. And you want to see real bad man? Come to St. Lucia. I'll show you a real bad man. I'll show you real fucking gangsters. Cause you were never a fucking bad man. Bad man no go to fucking jail, bitch. I know real dons from my country, and they've never been incarcerated. Actually, they protect the politicians. Kartel. And your host to them that we know nothing about, that probably take how much black cock in the UK before she met you, bitch. I don't know who the fuck you fucking with, but you're not fucking with Mon Cherie at all. You ugly frog. You're not as bad as you think, Kartel. The comment is coming. What comment? What comment? Man, and the match dog. What the fuck is that? Cause in a war, man master colder than a fucking Alaska, bitch. And your show is going to flop. Mind my words. Fuck you, Kartel.
To me, this sound like one case of hey, Annie, say you're wicked and lie. You get the cookie and you don't go back. But I don't know, I'm just saying. You guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.